Deep Learning Regression with Python. The objective of this course is for you to learn deep learning regression main concept from a basic to an expert level while you practice with Standard & Poor's 500 ETF prices using Python programming language as your analysis tool. At the end of this course, you will be able to create target algorithm feature and select relevant predictor algorithm feature subset through univariate filter methods or extract predictor feature transformation through principal component analysis. Train algorithm for mapping optimal relationship between target and predictor features through artificial neural network, deep neural network, and recurrent neural network. Regularize algorithm learning through node connection weight decay, visible or hidden layers dropout fractions, and stochastic gradient descent algorithm learning rate. Extract algorithm predictor features through stacked autoencoder. Minimize recurrent neural network vanishing gradient problem through long short-term memory units. And test algorithm for evaluating previously optimized relationship forecasting accuracy through scale-dependent metrics. This course is ideal as you're an undergraduate or postgraduate at any knowledge level who wants to learn about deep learning regression using Python programming language. You're an academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in data mining, applied statistical learning, or artificial intelligence. You're a business data scientist who desires to apply this knowledge in areas such as consumer analytics, finance, banking, healthcare, e-commerce, or social media.